April Sunami, mixed media painting. I'm a collector of things that have history. Paper, beads, map, wood, fabric, broken mirrors, bullets, stones, breakaway glass from car accidents. I put it all in my artwork because it's all about story. How old stories weave into new patterns, about spirituality, about mythology, about who we are. Columbus's greatest resource is his people. I wouldn't be the artist I am today without all the peers and mentors who've supported me, challenged me, and inspired me. I'm April Sunami. Mixed media is my art, and there's no place I'd rather make it.